Mia tiptoes into giant stadium packed with 1 million purring cats. She carries a rainbow brush as big as a surfboard. What if I can make a magnet by brushing every cat's fur in the same direction? She wonders, eyes shining. She dreams of a magnetic field like a hidden force around all those kitties. But real magnets come from moving electric charges or from electrons spinning in the same direction. Every atom has tiny magnets called magnetic moments. In iron, those moments line up easily and make a strong magnet. In cat's fur, mostly keratin, water, and some oil, the atoms have magnetic moments too, but they point randomly and are very weak. Mia imagines dragging her rainbow brush across each back, making all hairs lie the same way, like waves in a golden field. She whispers, "If I can make hairs all face north, maybe electrons inside them will turn north too." But electrons don't care which way the hair shaft points. Deep inside each atom, electrons spin on their own axis. Their spin creates a teeny magnetic dipole. To align those spins, you need a strong external magnetic field, millions of times stronger than a rainbow brush. Brushing fur only moves long protein threads, not the hidden spins of electrons. Still, Mia doesn't give up. She sets up a chalkboard and writes triboelectric effect. She remembers rubbing a balloon on her hair makes static electricity. What if she rubs a giant brush over cat's fur 1,000,000 times? Maybe the cat's hair will gain or lose electrons and build a huge static charge. A single balloon can pull bits of dust. 1,000,000 cats might create a spark, like a tiny lightning bolt. She calculates even a small charge per cat, times 1,000,000, could make a crackling blue arc across the stadium floor. Her pet hamster helper, Ziggy, squeaks with excitement. Mia connects 2 metal plates to measure voltage. She brushes 50 cats, then 1,000. Then 100,000. Gauges tick up. 10 volts, 100, even 1,000. At last, she brushes all 1,000,000. The meter shakes. She sees a glowing purple streamer jump between plates. "We made static electricity," she cries. Mia places a compass near the plates. The needle barely twitches. She says, "We have big electric charge, but almost no magnetic field." She scribbles in her notebook. Magnetism needs moving charges, or aligned spin. Brushing fur moves electrons once. Then they stop. Static charge builds voltage, but no steady current. So almost no steady magnetic field. Mia smiles. She never got a giant magnet from cat fur, but she learned why real magnets need special materials or currents. She also found a playful way to light tiny sparks with 1,000,000 purring fans. As the crowd of cats curls up for a nap, Mia packs her rainbow brush. She knows her next adventure will be even wilder. Maybe involving dancing magnets and bouncing electrons. The magic of science never ends.